from the barn. When I was your age, I enjoyed solving problems in math and loved reading stories about animals, especially horses. In elementary school, I decided that I would become a zookeeper one day and have a horse of my own. Of course, I found a much better job working with you, but I still love animals, and through lots of hard work and saving my money, I have a horse of my own. And guess what? Math is super important to me. In fact, my horses depend upon it. Let me explain. Horses need hay, lots of hay, and the best price for hay is right when it's harvested from the field. I have to buy just the right amount that will last them all the way until the harvest in July. If I don't figure the correct amount, then I have to pay much higher prices in the spring when hay is scarce. So how do I do it? Well, from my reading and research, I have learned that horses eat 1 to 2% of their body weight a day in hay. Well, I'm not sure about you, but I have a hard time getting my horses to stand on a scale. But did you know that there's a mathematical formula you can use to find out how much a horse weighs? If you measure their heart girth and their length, then all you have to do is multiply those two numbers, heart girth and heart girth times length, then divide the number by 330. This gives us the approximate weight of a horse. So I used Bird's measurements. She is about 67 inches in heart girth, so I multiplied that, 76 inches by 76 inches times her length of 64 inches, and I got this number. Then I had to divide that by 330, and the result is her weight of 1,120 pounds. Now, if she eats 2% of her body weight every day in hay, which is about on the high end of what horses eat. Let's see, 1% is easy to figure, that's 11.2. 2% is 22 4/10 of a pound of hay per day, times 365 days in the year is 8,176 pounds for one horse. Now we have two, so we multiply that by 2 horses and we get 16,352 pounds of hay that they need every year. Now hay is sold by the ton, so I need to divide that number by 2,000 and I get a little over 8 tons. To be on the safe side, I buy a little more than what I need. So 8.5 tons times $185 a ton plus $50 a ton in labor equals, well, that's a lot of amount. Let's see, almost $2,000 divided by 365 days of the year means every day it's going to cost me almost $5.50 to feed both horses, or $2.74 a day per horse in hay. Now, as you could tell, the hay bales actually are a little bit different. So did you know we have to do more math to figure out how many bales per ton we have to pick up out of the field? How many bales we have to stack on the trailer to equal 8.5 tons? Well, again, math would save the day. I would need to multiply how many bales per ton by 8.5 tons. And that's how many bales to pick out of the field. For their sake, I hope my math is correct. Now keep working hard, Panthers, and remember, the skills you're learning now in school can help you reach your dreams one day.